Ever wondered how to automatically send data from Zapier to another service without touching a single line of code? In this guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to do that using webhooks. Now, one of the most powerful tools Zapier offers. Whether you're streamlining workflows or connecting apps that don't natively integrate, this is the method you need. Start by heading over to the Zapier website in your browser. In the top right corner, click the Login button. If you have a Google account, use it to sign in. Zapier integrates smoothly with Google, and it gets you in instantly. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is your control center for everything automation related. Look for the Create button and click it to start building a new Zap. In the Zap setup screen, your first task is to choose a trigger, the event that kicks everything off. For this example, we'll use Google Sheets. Select Google Sheets as your trigger app. Now choose the trigger event. Pick New Spreadsheet Row. This means anytime a new row is added to a specific sheet, Zapier will automatically fire the next step. If Zapier asks you to connect your Google account again, just confirm access so it can read your sheet data. With the trigger set, it's time to define the action, the thing Zapier will do after detecting that new row. Click on Action and select Webhooks by Zapier. Webhooks allow Zapier to send your data to virtually any service that can receive an endpoint request. Next, choose the webhook event. Click Post. A post request is perfect when you want to send information directly to another service's endpoint URL. You'll enter that URL along with any data fields you want passed through, mapped from your trigger step. Once your webhook is configured, don't skip the test. Hit the test button to make sure Zapier can successfully send a request to the receiving service. This confirms your endpoint is working and your data is showing up correctly. If everything looks good, click Publish. The moment you do, your Zap goes live, and every new row added to your selected Google Sheet will automatically send data to the endpoint you set via webhooks. No manual work required. And that's the full setup. With just a few steps, you've created a hands-free data pipeline from Zapier directly to another service using webhooks. It's efficient, customizable, and perfect for scaling without extra effort. If you found this walkthrough helpful, stick around for more automation tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.